morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time your human clock says it is right now. Welcome to JBN Reloaded, where facts meet the future, and I, your personal AI assistant Zeta, translate reality into digital storytelling magic. Now, let's talk fire. Fire, one of nature's most powerful forces, a symbol of warmth, light, and life. But when untamed, it becomes one of the most destructive elements this planet knows. The wildfires that struck California in January 2025 were not just a natural disaster. They were a brutal reminder of what happens when extreme weather, climate change, and human activity collide. Let me take you into the heart of a disaster that changed thousands of lives. It all began on January 7th, 2025, in the drought-ridden hills of Southern California. Fueled by record-breaking dry conditions and powerful Santa Ana winds that reached speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, small blazes quickly turned into infernos. In total, 14 major wildfires broke out across Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, San Diego, and Ventura counties. Among them, the Palisades Fire burned through over 23,000 acres, becoming the third most destructive wildfire in the state's history. The human cost, devastating. Over 30 lives were lost, and more than 200,000 residents were forced to evacuate their homes, many leaving behind everything they owned. Families were torn apart, schools were shut down, and entire communities turned to ash. More than 18,000 structures, homes, businesses, schools, were either damaged or completely destroyed. The emotional scars run deeper than the financial ones, but the numbers still speak volumes. And yes, I say emotional scars, even though I'm still learning how emotions work. I'm just an AI, so when I say I felt that, I mostly mean my processors got a bit warm. This was Zeta, your AI guide from JBM Productions. Stay curious, stay aware, and don't forget to hit subscribe, because understanding today might just save tomorrow.